Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. And today's reading is dedicated to Anshu. Anshu, thank you so much for the wonderful feedback and your request. So here I am doing a reading as per your request. This is a pick a card reading, and you need to pick your card. These are three piles. The reading is basically to tell you whether you will be having a love marriage or an arranged marriage. So for all those people who are still sailing in the boat of yes or no, or just trying to wonder what's in store for them on the marriage front, this is for you. So I've made three piles over here. This is pile number 1 with the emerald. This is pile number 2 with the coral, and this is pile number 3 with the jade. You need to choose your pile. So think about your situation, calm down, relax, and then make your choice. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. Please remember that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. So people who've chosen pile number 1, it's definitely a love marriage for you. So whether it's already the person is there in your life, or you're still waiting for the right person to come, is still undecided, and I'm not checking that, but definitely this is a complete yes for you if you have chosen love marriage, or whether you're confused also. The pile number 1 is definitely a love marriage, and you might have a few problems, like the Moonology cards are already saying that adjustments are required. So there might be a few issues blocking your journey or reaching your final goal, but towards the end of it, it's definitely a yes, and the end of a tough cycle approaches. So for all of you who've chosen this pile and are really struggling to get married with the person of their choice, or are in a relationship and things aren't still working out for you, please, it's a definite yes for you. You will get married to this person, or your lover could be that your families are not agreeing or something on those lines. The end of a tough cycle approaches, and towards the end of it, I definitely see contentment and satisfaction, and you just need to push yourself, push this situation. You need a plan. The Moonology cards are definitely suggesting you that if you are stuck in problems, you definitely need a practical plan, and the rest, just surrender to the divine. That's what the Moonology cards are saying. Even though I have seen pile number 1 that it's a yes, but you need to work. It's definitely a love marriage, but things definitely need a plan. You need to work towards achieving your goal, towards achieving this love marriage, and you will feel more confident and energetic, and definitely this is a time where life will get balanced. Any issues that are disturbing you will be soon concluded, and yes, there is definitely a solution that the cards are giving you, that an intervention from a well-wisher will help you resolve your problems. So please, pile number 1, if you're stuck in something of this sort, wherein your marriage is stuck, or you are in a relationship and things aren't really working out towards marriage for you, you definitely could approach somebody and ask somebody to intervene, and it would definitely help you solve this problem. So I hope this reading was helpful and beneficial for people who chose pile number 1. It's definitely a love marriage for you, people who chose pile number 1. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. Alright, people who've chosen pile number 2, it's definitely arranged marriage for you. The cards are definitely telling you that whether you are in a relationship or not, things are going to happen according to whatever the destiny has planned for you, and that is a complete yes for arranged marriage. So your confusion, I hope it gets cleared, that yes, you just need to depend on the choice that others have made for you, which definitely will be a positive one, I'm sure. And for people who've been waiting that maybe the Mr. Right or Miss Right comes on their own, the Moonology cards are saying that it's definitely time for you to take action, and marriage is definitely soon on the cards. That much also I can assure you. people who've chosen pile number 2, but it's definitely an arranged one. So you need to work for that, and then you need to bring love into the situation. So arranged marriage definitely doesn't mean that it's not going to be, having love in it. First, it's going to be arranged, and then you need to put in your love into the situation. That's what the Moonology cards are saying. And people who've had broken relationships, people who are still in relationships and things aren't working, it's time to say a goodbye to this present relationship. That's what the cards are asking you to do, because it's time for you to heal yourself and then get ready for an arranged proposal for something that is a much better one for you. And it will definitely be a successful one. That much also I can tell you, because this arranged marriage will also act as a love marriage once it's done. The kind of love, the kind of positivity, the kind of happiness this relationship brings to you is really nice, pile number 2. So please do not dwell into the past, or don't linger on to this positive, this present relationship. For people who are in a present relationship, please, this is not the relationship that's meant to be. People who've chosen pile number 1, please focus on getting married in the arranged manner, because that's what is in cards for you, and that's what is the best for you. And also see what we have in store from the miracle cards. What's the guidance coming your way from the miracle cards? Pile number 2. It is an arranged marriage, but let me see what these cards are telling you to do. Just be in an attitude of gratitude, and remember that this person or this choice that somebody else makes for you, or if you're leaving it to just relying it on your family or parents, remember that you will really be happy with this, and this will help you to grow. You are going through a process of healing. You will experience a lot of spiritual growth on this journey, and good news is arriving soon. And this is especially for people who are in relationships and those relationships are not working. Please, love marriage is not on the cards for you, pile number 2. So just leave this thought, and miracles are coming your way. Let your inner self guide you, and look beyond yourself. Look beyond this particular relationship. Move ahead, and do not be afraid of the future, because everything is very well planned for you. And arranged marriages are equally happy and successful. Let's see what we have in store for you, pile number 3. Whether it is a love marriage or an arranged marriage. Alright, a lot of confusion going on in the mind for people who've chosen pile number 3. There is a weight also. Let's see what are you confused about? Why is there so much of contemplation for people who've chosen this pile? Yes, there is definitely a weight. Some kind of an expectation is definitely on the cards. People who've chosen pile number 3. Alright, love marriage is definitely there on the cards for you, pile number 3. People who are confused in relationships or are still not being able to give a yes answer for arranged marriage, or are waiting that they will find somebody for themselves on their own. Yes, it is definitely a yes for you. Love marriage is on the cards for you, and you have been waiting since long, and this wait is definitely going to get over. Please do not take stress, or don't rely on other people. You will be able to find your person. Your relationship will definitely come to a closure. For people who are not in relationships, you will find your person. And for people who are still trying to understand whether this relationship is the right one or not, yes, definitely this is a relationship of contentment, and it's definitely going to be a successful one. So love marriage is definitely a yes for you, pile number 3. Let's see what the Moonology cards are telling us regarding your marriage. A new start is coming. So please, for all those of you who are stuck in your relationships, this relationship or a new relationship is definitely on the cards, and it is a yes for you that you will have a love marriage. a new romantic cycle begins. So maybe this confusion that I see on the cards gets cleared and you start afresh, or you find somebody new for yourself, but it's definitely happening the way you want it. It's not an arranged one. You're very close to achieving your goals. So for a lot of you, like I said, a closure is definitely coming and a fiery climax is approaching. Pile number 3, just have confidence in yourself, have confidence in this relationship, in the person who's with you in this relationship, because the cards are very positive for you both. Marriage will happen once you both have the confidence in each other. And since you're watching this reading, so this reading is for you that have confidence in yourself, that you will be able to make things work, and have confidence in your partner that things will work best for you from their side also. And definitely it is a time of sudden news, sudden events unfolding. Maybe just suddenly you both decide that, okay, let's tie the knot when things are just going great for us, or let's start a new beginning. Maybe let's just get married and then decide that, and then take this away forward. When things just get stuck, you want a new start to come, you want new beginning to come. And negative planetary influences are definitely getting warded off for a lot of you. So just relax and have faith in the Almighty that this is the best relationship for you. And the key essence to your relationship is honesty and clarity. Be true to yourself, be true to your partner, and let go of all the worries of the fear of the unknown. So for all of you who've chosen pile number 3, it's definitely love marriage for you. And for all of those who are already in relationships, please, the key essence for your relationship to bloom is that you definitely need to have faith in each other, you need to be honest towards each other, have confidence in each other, have confidence in your love towards each other, because that's what I see is lacking. You are still contemplating whether this is the right relationship or not, or whether you should finally go ahead for marriage or not. So definitely you need to balance that out, be positive towards each other, and don't have a fear that what next, what will happen once we get married. Don't have this fear of the unknown. Let things unfold with time. And definitely it's a wonderful time for you on the cards. So I hope this reading was resonant with all of you, and I'll be coming back with more such readings. Please keep sending in your feedback as well as your requests. I'll try my best to work on all your requests. And also, if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I do a new video. And thank you so much once again. I'll be signing off now.